Hi, if you want to learn how to buy a cool car like this for a very good discount, drive it for a couple months or a year and sell it and make a couple $1,000s profit, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Let's get started. My name is Anatoly and I'm a used car dealer in northern Indiana. And this is one of my cars that I purchased recently from Copart. It's a large auction, auto auction. Mostly they sell salvage cars. Sometimes they sell clean titles. So this car I purchased from Michigan. It's from Flint, Michigan. It's part of Detroit. So it's 2018 Chevy Camaro with 105,000 miles. So it was close to 106. Right now it's like 106 and a couple hundreds more. I already drove it. So the reason I bought it, guys, is because this car has a stick shift, 6-speed, you know. Look at that. That's crazy good. So let me tell you how much money I spent on this car, and then I will explain you what was wrong with the car. So total, I have invested in this car $7,000. $7,000, guys, for 18 Camaro with a little bit over 100,000 miles with Michigan clean title. Yes, it's a Michigan clean title. Of course, if you will check Carfax, there will be a claim, of course, but I have a clean title from Michigan from auction. So what was wrong with the car? So right here, the roof was bented. I will show you all of the pictures. So the roof looks like it was like storm damage, and the tree fell off to the car. So we fixed this part, we fixed this part. So we did paint job. We painted, there was a couple dents right here. So we painted this quarter panel, we painted the roof, and we also painted this quarter panel right here. So not too much money I spent for parts. Only $150 for the rear windshield, and then I spent some bondo and paint, you know. Other than that, there is no parts was needed, you know. So let me show you the interior. The interior was a bit dirty, so we cleaned it up. It has a backup camera, a lot of stuff on the steering wheel, you know. It's actually very, very fun to drive car, guys. It's fast, it's crazy fast. Let me open the trunk for you. It's very fast and fun to drive. If you want to learn how to buy a cool cars like this for, you know, very, very good discount, you on the right channel. I can teach you how to buy cars, how to buy parts, the best places to buy parts for cheap, you know, for affordable, the best resources. Look at the engine, guys. Runs nice and smooth. There is no oil leaks. Look, it's great. The car is great. $7,000 car. People pay like 16,000 getting loan and then paying off, you know, like for a couple of years. You know, I think it's better way to get the car like this. Just save up some money, couple $1,000, go to the auction, and I can teach you how to buy a car from auction, how much is the fees and stuff. So I purchased this car from Copart Auto Auction for $5,100. It was my last bid, and then I paid all of the fees and stuff. They have like pretty high fees. So total I paid $5,933 to the Copart. and then I paid $250 for shipping from Flint, Michigan to my place, Indiana. So, and plus all of the expenses, you know, $7,000 total I have invested to the car. Look at that baby. It's great. Look, I can drive this car for a year and then sell it with 120,000 miles, let's say 125, for about 11,000. There you go. I will make another like $4,000 profit. Guys, this is the way to go. So if you found this video helpful, if you want to learn how to buy cars from auction, how to fix it, I can teach you. I have over 15 years experience on this in this business. So please like, comment if you like this kind of videos. If you want more content like this, I recently purchased another beautiful car. It's a 2015 Porsche Panamera, you know, for a very, very good price. So I can show you that car too, you know, as an example, how to buy, how to fix, how to make money and drive nice, cool cars. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.